I didn't wait. Just a moment. Ah. Oh, there. I destroyed the Earth. Okay. I think you can talk. I think you can talk on my stream now as well. Oh no! Papa, I destroyed
Um,
the Earth!
there's something about that. I've just died forever, permanently in lava. All my life and
I
my
heard.
achievements are burning in the fires of hell, and so I don't. The Earth needs a new savior today.
Oh no. I did hear. I tried calling you. Like, apparently you were just on the brink of death, and then I called you, and then you died. I'm really sorry about that.
Wait. Did I die right as you destroyed the Earth? Did these events happen simultaneously?
I'm sorry.
Is that why there was a pit of lava that suddenly appeared underneath me and sucked me in?
I'm sorry, Papa. The Earth is gone, and Mother Nature is gone too.
It's all gone. Everything is gone. We return to the void of empty space.
Okay, there it is, Sunlights. We're not getting Earth back. I tried.
Maybe, call me back tomorrow.
I'll call you back
I'll be
tomorrow.
okay then. I just need to munch on some golden apples first.
Okay. I don't know what's happening. Everybody said they were sorry, and then I tried to forgive them by destroying the Earth.
Why would that?
Because
Why would that be forgiving them?
Because there'll no longer be a reason to be sorry if they're not alive.
Oh, that's one way of looking at it.
Then I tried it, and then apparently if they said sorry, I couldn't hear it anymore. So then I couldn't stop the sorries. I'm really sorry about that.
You know, I'm sorry too.
I'm so sorry, Papa.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm so sorry.
I'm sorry.
Okay. I was watching on my Minecraft stream when the Earth was around. How are you going now? Are you just dead?
I'm simply dead. I made it the furthest I've made it, and then I died.
Oh no, I think that was my fault. I'm really sorry about that.
I will find a way to forgive you, Sana.
Please forgive me. I'm all forgiven out. I need forgiveness, Papa.
I will give everyone forgiveness on this day. Everyone's actions are pardoned. Only so that my own can be pardoned as well.
There you go.
And
Papa died for forgiveness.
May we be reborn into a new existence without suffering.
You know, it's like Christmas, except instead of a reindeer, it's a Kyrian.
Oh.
We can have a new holiday.
Yeah, maybe we can finally replace Santa too.
Oh, we can replace Santa. We can replace it with Sanata. Sanata. That sounds like Saturn.
Perfect.
Okay. I will leave you to your death. Okay,
I will continue suffering.
Thank you for
talking to you has made me feel a little bit better.
Okay, thank you for trying to revive the Earth. I know you tried your best, but
yeah,
I guess it is my problem. I'm really sorry for dragging you into this.
Oh no, it's my Earth.
Thank you. I don't feel very bad about it anymore. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
And there we go.